next verse right here. Bye! I said treehouse. Yeah, although I said go to travel around the world again, but don't worry guys, if you can see the treehouse around. Let's talk about the river. It's full. No. Baby elephant is learning how to shower. He may be drunk on us, so what we need to say? No. Oh, he's a good boy. Don't worry, let's see on right hand side. Elephant brother. Sound like him, okay? Otherwise you'll become man. You can see everyone, right? Okay. Oh, there are also other animals right here. Just snake, right? Shh, be quiet. If they can see you in your handsome or beautiful, oh, you will get a kiss from them. Yeah, you don't want to, right? Shh. It's not your meat and your finger look like a finger of a kiss. Yeah. I don't want you to be. Oh, the gorilla! Where's the silence? They came on, guys! Get up! We don't have banana! Don't try to catch us! Oh, there are also a lot of animals right here, right? Yeah, yes, but we are African safari. Can you guys tell me what kind of animal you can see right there? Yeah, giraffe. Any more? Zebra and the elephant. Yeah, you guys. Because woman is always wrong. Oh, maybe they need help. They didn't become a gorilla, but seems like they need some help. Yeah, would like to get. Oh, don't feel scared, guys. Here's the friendly village. Yeah, trust me. They're playing the drum to welcome you guys, right? Yeah. So let's say hello to the people right here. Hello. Anyone see us? Get down. Whoa. So suddenly, whoa. Hold on, everyone. Hold on. No, again. Baby, right now, I haven't been here before. The water block away. What can we do? Can we go back? We cannot go back. No, we cannot go back. Oh, there's fire. I got angry. Save us. Are you guys alright? Yeah, you guys are really brave. Give yourself a big hand.